Navigating English. If-then statements in conditional acceptance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on Navigating English. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of conditional acceptance, specifically focusing on the usage of if-then statements in accepting requests. If you want to improve your conversational English skills, you're in the right place. If-then statements, also known as conditional sentences, are a type of complex sentence that express a condition and a result. These statements are extremely useful in English conversation, as they allow you to accept requests but with a certain condition attached. For example, consider this sentence: if I finish my work early, then I will help you with your project. Here, the condition is finishing work early, and the result, or the action that will follow if the condition is met, is helping with a project. To form if-then statements, we start with if, followed by the condition, then the word then, and finally the result or consequence. Remember, the action or result only takes place if the condition is met. Consider this example: if you help me clean the house, then we can go to the movies. The condition here is helping to clean the house, and the result is going to the movies. Keep in mind that while the word then is often used in these statements, it's not always necessary. For example, the sentence, if you help me clean the house, we can go to the movies, is equally correct. Now it's your turn to practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Consider these situations and try to form your own if-then sentences. 1. You can lend your friend a book, but only if they promise to return it within a week. 2. Your mom will buy you a new video game, but only if you improve your grades. 3. You will make dinner tonight, but only if your partner does the dishes. Note: when you're practicing, think about the conditions and the results that need to occur. This will help you in creating accurate if-then statements. That wraps up our lesson on if-then statements for conditional acceptance in English. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use these types of statements in your daily conversations. Always remember, the key to learning and improving your language skills is through consistent practice. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and see you in the next one.